Welcome to Parsimony, your comprehensive solution for managing all aspects of your business operations. Today, we'll delve into the manufacturing function, specifically focusing on the production subfunction known as work order. To begin, log into your Parsimony account and navigate to the manufacturing module. Here, you'll find a range of tools to streamline your production processes. Within manufacturing, click on Work Order. This is where you'll manage the creation and tracking of production orders. Now, let's create a new work order. Click on Add Work Order to start the process. Here, you'll need to select the item to manufacture, and then the data will be fetched for the item name and bill of materials number. Next to choose is the company and quantity. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click Save and hit Submit to create the work order. Congratulations! You've successfully created a work order. And there you have it. You've successfully managed your production process using Parsimony's manufacturing function. With Parsimony, streamlining your manufacturing operations has never been easier. Start optimizing your production workflow today.